Field Agent pays you for real-world store checks, and some single jobs can pay more than most survey apps. That's why people still use it in 2026. By the end of this, you'll know how Field Agent works, how the money actually looks, and whether it's worth installing. Here's the straight answer. Field Agent is legit, but it only works well if you live near active stores and can move fast. That's the whole model. Field Agent pays users to complete short retail jobs. That can mean taking shelf photos, checking product prices, confirming displays, or buying an item and testing it. Think mystery shopping, but through your phone. The app shows nearby jobs on a map at Dachai. You pick one, reserve it, and complete it before the timer runs out. That timer matters. Most jobs are first come, first served. If you wait too long, someone else grabs them. That's one of the biggest pros. Good users can stack several jobs in one trip. The pay depends on the task. Basic audits might pay a few dollars. More detailed product checks or purchase and return jobs usually pay more because they take longer. But here's the part people miss. Travel time changes everything. A $6 job sounds fine until you drive 20 minutes for it. That's why experienced users batch tasks in the same shopping center or route. That's how you make the app worth it. Now about getting paid. Field Agent reviews every submission before releasing money. That means your photos need to be clear, your answers need to match, and your receipts need to be correct. Mess up the instructions, and the task can get rejected. That's lost time. The app itself is legitimate, and payments are real. The bigger problem is availability. If you're in a major city, you'll probably see more work. Smaller towns often get fewer jobs. That makes it inconsistent. So who should use it? Use Field Agent if you already run errands, shop often, or want to add small paid stops into your routine. Skip it if you want work-from-home income or daily guaranteed earnings. Quick recap. Field Agent is legit. It pays for local retail jobs. Your location controls how many jobs you see. Speed and accuracy decide how much you keep. The practical next step is simple. Download it, check the map, and test one nearby low-effort job before driving across town. That tells you fast if it fits your area. If this helped, like the video and subscribe for more side hustle app reviews.